Hi, my name is Alvaro. Welcome to the third video of ABC Guitar Workshop. I'm making these videos because I'm joining the Great Guitar Build of 2020 Unofficial Challenge, and the submission deadline for the guitar is in 1 week, so I want to show you the status of the guitar. This is how it looks right now, and on this video I'm going to show you how I got to this point and what are the further steps. So let's begin. This is how the situation looks like. I have to do this cavity over here. I think I might do this first, so then I'm done with the back. And then I have to do the pickup cavities, but also the wiring cavities. As you can see, I did a fabric top finish on this guitar body. I want to give a big shout out to Texas Toast Guitars, obviously, because they post a lot on this topic. They give a lot of information, and they gave me the confidence to do it because they show the process many different times, and they always have amazing results, so I want to thank them. I also want to thank Crimson Guitars, obviously, for organizing this challenge, and I also want to thank Brad Angrove for the tips for the unofficial challengers. I use a microphone now, and well, I want to thank all of the official builders. So, talking about the body, I glued this 100% cotton fabric over the body. I used regular wood glue, just regular white glue, same stuff that I used to glue these two pieces together. I spread it all over, and then I just used my hands, and two other people helped me to hold it tight and to press it down, and then I just used my hands to make it all flat and even. And then I passed lacquer, a two-component lacquer, to seal this fabric. Oh, there's something I forgot to mention. I want to do a belly cut over here, so like a comfort cut. So I'm covering the fabric to protect it, and then I will proceed to cut this thing down. I should have done it before, but I didn't think about it, and at this point I really want to do it, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. Now I think I will do the routing around it, and then I will remove this. I got my round over bit and my body clamped to the table. So let's go. The back side is done. Looks amazing. Very smooth. I have to finish this part by hand. Now it's time for the serious business. The serious business is the front and the fabric top. There's only one try. If I mess this up, I am out of the unofficial challenge. So I am done with the round over. I did it on the front and also on the back. So now it's a very smooth transition from the fabric to the wood. This side over here was very tricky because the router couldn't do it, so I had to do it by hand. And it took me a couple of hours, but it's looking very well. You can also see this belly cut over here came out looking really nice. I already sanded it with really fine sandpaper, and to do the round over and the final details I used a set of different files and also this very sharp knife. But the fabric behaved very well all in all, and now the final step for the body before applying the lacquer is to open up these holes again. So I'm gonna do that now.